Hi, this is Peter Griscom, and today we're going to talk about lean. Lean is Xyngular's tremendous tasting vanilla protein shake that's going to help you reduce the total number of calories you consume throughout your day when you're using both the core, the ignite, or the ultimate systems. Now, when we talk about that baseline weight loss equation, again, we talk about getting in a calorie deficit. Part of that is burning more calories through activity, exercise, products like Xing and Accelerate. Another component of that is reducing the total number of calories you consume. Now, lean is squarely in that snack category. It's just 50 calories with 10 grams of highly usable protein coming from two different sources, both whey and soy. In addition, you also have a full vitamin and mineral blend and digestive enzymes to help promote healthy absorption of this product. Now, a lot of people will ask you, why protein? Well, first and foremost, protein is going to help promote healthy, lean muscle. If we can help to change your body composition to more lean muscle, that's going to positively affect your resting metabolic rate, meaning now you're burning more calories even when you're sitting on the couch doing nothing. That's a pretty sweet benefit. If you add on top of it the fact that you also have a higher thermic effect immediately, which means that when you consume protein, it takes more energy for your body to digest that. So it's actually going to be less calories. Now, in our programs, it's included once daily for both the core, the ultimate, and the ignite. And in the guidebooks, you have a little bit more detail on when during each and every day you should be using this product, as well as some recipes for things that you can actually add to the product to make it a unique flavor. For example, if you wanted a berry lean shake, how you might achieve that in a healthy manner. You can find all of those in our guidebooks and our resources. Lean is a critical component of both our core, ignite, and ultimate systems. And if you haven't yet purchased one of those, I recommend you do it today. Now, if you're looking for an ongoing, healthy, delicious, low-calorie snack replacement, add lean to your auto ship to get 10 grams of highly usable protein, a full blend of vitamins and minerals, and digestive enzymes to promote healthy digestive function today.